guys! Welcome to my vlog. This is Matty Vergara, your sales executive here in Mitsubishi, Jose Abad Santos, Manila. So samahan niyo ako guys, alamin yung comparison between Xpander GLS and Xpander Cross Automatic 2025 year model. So for GLS automatic with 1.5 liter unleaded, two-wheel drive automatic, 4 inline dock, 16 valve with MyVec. So sa Xpander GLS automatic, ang SRP niya guys is 1.216,000. Ayan. So, ang headlamp ni Xpander GLS Automatic, naka-LED na siya. Of course, naka-DRL na din. LED on front cam. And also, meron na rin siyang front fog lamp on bumper. Naka-indicate na rin si emergency stop signal. Ang performance niya for wheel natin guys, sa front wheel brake, meron siyang ventilated disc 15-inch. Sa rear wheel brake naman guys, meron siyang leading trail drum 9-inch. And meron siyang high ground clearance suspension. Ang kanyang suspension guys sa front is front suspension MacPherson strut with coil spring stabilizer. Sa rear suspension, torsion beam. And ang kanyang size ng gulong guys is 17-inch alloy wheels. Ang gulong niya guys, 205 by 55 R17 91V. Kung makikita niyo sa may hand door, meron siyang black button which is si KOS. So para mag-activate si KOS, within 70 cm lang po ang layo ng key fob. Doon sa may handle guys, meron siyang black button which is ayun po si KOS or Keyless Operating System. So dito naman po tayo sa interior ni Xpander GLS Automatic. Unang-una nyo pong malalaman ang comparison between Xpander Cross is sa seat material which is naka-black high fabric po sa Xpander GLS. And of course, meron na rin po siyang parking brake control or electric parking brake. Steering column with tilt and telescopic adjustment. And sa steering switch niya guys, meron siyang cruise control, hands-free, audio, voice control. And kung makikita nyo guys, meron na rin siyang active stability control switch. And of course guys, kung makikita nyo, sa Xpander GLS Automatic is naka-push start na rin siya. And also ayan guys, sa may steering wheel niya, meron siyang cruise control, hands-free, audio, voice control. Ayan. And of course guys, ito po yung pinaka monitor niya. So meron na po ang monitor ni Xpander GLS Automatic na 9-inch smartphone display link audio system or SDA. So meron na rin po siyang accessory socket. Ayan. And meron na rin po siyang USB power socket. And of course, meron din po siyang USB port. And ang kanyang aircon is digital type na. Digital type aircon with heater. Ayan. And ito naman guys, si Xpander Cross Automatic. So, kung makikita nyo sa pinaka exterior ni Xpander Cross, meron na siyang fender and roof rail. And of course, iba na rin po yung mugs niya. compare kay Expander GLS Automatic. Ang difference naman po sa headlamp ni Expander Cross and Expander GLS Automatic, parehas po silang DRL, LED on front cam. Meron na rin silang emergency stop signal. And of course, ang front fog lamp po ni Expander Cross is LED na. So, while kay Expander GLS is hindi pa po. And of course guys, for safety, halos meron po silang dalawa na active stability control, brake assist, brake auto hold, EBD or electronic brake force distribution, four-wheel ABS, and hill start assist system. So while si Expander Cross, meron po siyang active yaw control, while si Expander GLS is wala pa po. So si Expander Cross guys, meron na siyang roof rail and of course fender. So hi guys, ito naman si Expander Cross Automatic. So kung makikita nyo yung seat material pa lang na Expander Cross is naka-leather seat na. While parehas naman po sila ni Expander GLS, halos lahat. Sa 9-inch na monitor, and of course na meron na rin siyang dual aircon, and ayan, naka-indicate na rin po sa may brake assist and or brake auto hold po. And of course meron na rin po siyang cruise control and hands-free button. So ayan, meron din siyang voice command, and of course meron din siyang audio control po. So yun guys, sobrang ganda at sobrang luxury tignan ni Expander Cross. So yun guys, ang comparison between Expander GLS and Expander Cross Automatic 2025 year model. So again guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching.